something happens when fire, smoke, meat, style of cooking. It's simple, you can deliver better every day. It's the feeling of everything. The place, the customers, the equipment. When you start thinking about doing this, it just feels right in the heart. I'm from a little town outside of Karlstad, about an hour from here. It's called Degerfors. It's a soccer place. Everyone plays soccer and live for the soccer. And it was food and soccer. So before the training, I take a look at all the TV shows. And I went to a soccer school and think about going to learn more about gastronomy and be a chef. But yeah, it was the soccer at that time. So maybe later in life we can work with food. Yeah. And here we are.
So what was your position in your football team?
Defender. Played against Zlatan.
Did you?
Yeah, when I was 17. But it was difficult to take care of. He was great, even then. Yeah. About 10 years ago I was on a TV show. It was the Swedish MasterChef. And from that moment I started thinking about doing this professionally.
So when did you start the restaurant?
We started in November 2020.
You started with your wife?
Yeah, it's me and Malin. My wife started it before we start in 2020. 2019 we took the family and traveled to Austin just to know about this technique and the feeling about it. So it was the first step, and then we planned this for 1.5 years before we opened. It was an important trip for us. Something get into the heart and get close to the real thing. Yeah. And to know how should it taste, the feeling at the restaurant, and also the trip to Austin helps us to get the right choices, get the feeling right, the colors, everything. And we work with it all the time. So it's different now than it was the first time 3 years ago. So it was not like this November 2020.
It was more.
There was no tent. It was one container. You have to do new things all the time in the restaurant environment. You have to be nice to be here. Sit here on Friday, Saturday. Yeah, this was the first time. Morning with a computer in the middle of the restaurant. When we start with the ID, we didn't thought it would go to here. I thought we'd get a smaller place in the beginning, but yeah, now it's good. We have 100 seatings inside and maybe 70, 80 outside.
That's your idea on paper.
Yeah, in front of that smoker to the construction workers. Yeah, and this was when we get the JNR inside. We started in the middle of the pandemic. It was okay for us. It was a way to start. We started with lunch. We were 4 people here, and then just develop and see. First was lunches, then it was doing some Saturday, some evening, and find our way to do it. But for the first time this summer, we got open every day in the week. Comes customers and guests from all over Sweden and Norway, Germany, and it's cool to be some kind of destination, take people to Karlstad. We got some time to learn, but if we get a new situation like the pandemic right now, it would be harder for us. When we have built something, we have a team, we have a body. And I'm lucky to have a great team. I think the interest in this kind of style of cooking just goes up all year. I think it's a big tradition of barbecuing in Sweden, but not in this way. No one here nearby have seen this kind of thing, never worked with the Texas barbecue, so the people that works here get to know new things all the time. So the interest of doing this is getting up. Yeah, we have cooking classes here, and yeah. Okay. I thought it would be easier, and I thought it would go much more quicker than it went. Some struggling on the road about where we're gonna be in what kind of area in the city. And it's not the most natural thing to do it in this kind of industrial area. Will there come any customers on Friday night, on Saturdays? It's quite dead out here. We have always thought that if we do this good and we do it with heart and try our best every day, people will come here. That's the most important thing for us. That's why we go to work. So, and all the time getting better at the handcraft and to know and learn every day about how we do things. Now in the first 3 years that we love what we do, and it's something else. It's out here, nothing happens here Friday night. But it's people here, so it's everything. Not just the food, it's the customers, the beer, the feeling of the restaurant. So it's like a family thing. I love working with this, and I'm proud to do this.